everyone, this is me, Bidasa Gateway, and this is the first video I'm going to upload for you all to start using so you can learn some Ojibwe language at home with your kids and with your family and maybe some of your co-workers. So, I'm just going to get right started, and the first phrase I have you using is Awegwanin o'o. Awegwanin o'o. Emma, can you say that? Can you say that word?
Awakening o'o.
Migoyak. Our second word for this week is Awegwanin i'u. Awegwanin i'u. And one more time in a slow way. Awegwanin i'u. Emma ginatam.
Awen ekin eu.
Onijishin. And our third phrase for this week, you're going to use all the time, and I'm pretty sure you use it already. In English, it means, what are you doing? And that phrase that we're going to use this week is Anin izichigeyan. Anin izichigeyan. Anin izichigeyan. Ginata memory?
Anin izichigeyan.
Migoyak. And in case you wanted to use that phrase for more than one person, let's say you have more than one kid, like I do, I would ask them, Anin izichigeyeg. Anin izichigeyeg. Migoyak. Now, a couple more phrases I like using with my children are very simple phrases that you can use as well. Maybe even with your spouse or your coworkers. And a good one to use is Ambeoma. Ambeoma. Odishishin. Ambeoma. Ambeoma. Migoyo. That's it. And another phrase, in case you get confused because sometimes you hear the wrong words, and if you want them to say it again, I like using Daga Ikadon Minawa. Daga Ikadon Minawa. One more time. Daga Ikadon Minawa. Those are all the words that I have for you this week. What do you think, Emery? Those good words?
Yeah.
Get. Nishin. Daga Ojibwe mon. It's your turn. You gotta speak Ojibwe now.